Hey, it's Aaron, and I've made almost $3 million with affiliate marketing. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start from scratch this year, build an extremely profitable affiliate business. But what I'm going to show you first is how not to do it, because this is what 90% of the gurus and the market teaches you to do. And it's why a lot of affiliate marketers stay broke, okay? So I'm going to jump on my screen right now, show you how not to do it, right? This is basically Amazon. Amazon has one of the biggest affiliate programs in the world. You can see right here, it's called Amazon Associates. Now, Amazon Associates says that you can earn up to 10% in commissions, but the vast majority of Amazon products only pays between 1 to 3%. Okay, so 10% is very misleading because 80-90% of their products only pays between 1 and 3%. Now, let's just say 1 to 2%. Even 10% is really low, by the way, all right? But let's just say we come to the Amazon store and we wanted to sell these earbuds, right? So you grab your affiliate link, your referral link, somebody clicks on it, they buy from your Amazon link, and you make a sale, right? This is in my currency, but we just divided by 4 to get USD. So these earbuds cost $50 US, right? Now, if they pay 1% commissions, which is normal for Amazon, on your $50 earbuds, how much did you just make? You made 50 cents. Isn't that mad? Somebody bought a $50 product and they pay you 1% commissions. You make 50 cents. Now, how many 50-cent sales do you need to make in order to make 10,000 US dollars? Well, let's do the math. 10,000 divided by 0.5, you would have to make 20,000 sales, okay? Now, ask yourself this question. Do you think that you can make 20,000 earbud sales? I don't think you can. It's almost impossible, right? Unless you are a super duper affiliate. And even then, super duper affiliates aren't stupid enough to sell 1% commission products, okay? So this is what people teach you. They say, go sell physical stuff because, you know, you can become an affiliate of any program. The worst thing to sell is a physical product, okay? So this is the first problem. The second problem is that a lot of courses and gurus will tell you, okay, now that you've picked your physical product that pays like shit, right? What you want to do is you want to build an authority website. So they say, okay, take all your products, stick them on an authority website like this, for example. This is a fishing website, just a random fishing website, right? Wired to fish. And basically every day you would write all of these articles educating people on the different products like earbuds and, you know, fishing rods and fishing tackle and stuff like that. Then you might leave a little, you know, list here that says, hey, if you want the best earbuds or the best rods, click here and buy now. So if someone will come here, if they're really interested in your stuff, they'll click here. These are all affiliate links, by the way. And let's just say this rod costed, you know, $100, right? $100. Then let's just say you get 3% commissions, right? Times 3% commissions. You made $3 on this rod. Holy smokes. How are you supposed to get rich by making $3 sales? It's just almost impossible, right? The other impossible thing is trying to build a website like this, which is called an authority website, which, by the way, this will take you a long time. You have to pay a lot of money for this. You would spend hours and hours and hours researching, writing all the content. You can't shortcut this stuff. You'd either have to do it yourself or pay someone to do it. It's just the most difficult thing to do. And then you have to rank it on Google. Try ranking an authority website on Google. It'll take you 1 to 2 years, okay? And then with the advent of AI, now Google rankings aren't as important as they were before. So now you have to make sure that AI, ChatGPT, Claude, actually recommends your website, which is even more difficult, okay? So that's why a lot of people that start affiliate marketing and build authority websites using these kind of links right here, they don't make any money. They make super duper little money, all right? So this is not what you want to do. Here's what you want to do instead, okay? First of all, don't sell physical stuff. You want to sell digital stuff. Why? Because digital stuff has higher commission rates and the price points are higher. Let me give you an example, right? So this is one of many digital platforms that you can go to. It's called Digistore24, digistore24.com. I come to the marketplace. I come to digital products. For example, you can see all these different categories, right? You can sell in pretty much anything. Just as an example for today, I'm going to pick the business space because I like business, right? And then I'm going to rank it by earnings per sale. How much can you make? Okay, now check this out, all right? Now this product right here, the Millionaire Partner System, it gives you 40% commissions, okay? 40% commissions. And you can see right there, 40% commissions. It costs $1,104, right? It is a webinar funnel, and they will pay you out 40% commissions on 1,104. How much is 40% commissions on that? 1100 times 40% commissions. You make $440 a sale when you sell this particular program. Now, do you think it's going to be easier or more difficult for you to hit $10,000 or $20,000 every time you make a $400 sale? I think it's going to be easier, okay? So that's why you want to focus on digital and never physical. Okay, it's just as hard to make a $20 sale as it is to make a $1,000 sale. I know that sounds weird, but you basically have to go through the same mechanics anyway to do it, all right? But what we're going to do instead is we're not going to build a stupid authority website, because this would take you forever and tons of time and money and heartache before someone will ever find it. We don't want to do that. I'm going to show you at the end of this video exactly how you get attention for people to find your websites, okay? So now we know we want to sell digital stuff. We want to sell high commission rates. By the way, you could take your time and you can go through all of these categories, but I just wanted to show you here that there are products that are more expensive that pay you higher commission rates. There are even products that have commission rates of 50, 60, 70, 80%. For example, I have my own program and I pay my affiliates 50% commissions, okay? So, you know, you should be making much more rather than 1, 2, 3% commission rates, which is absolutely ridiculous. Now what we want to do is, okay, so we know we want to sell stuff that's more expensive, higher commission rates, digital, all right? Because digital products have higher profit margins than physical because they don't need to be manufactured in a factory. Now, how do we sell it? Okay, so first thing we want to do is we want to build out a simple sales funnel. I use something called ClickFunnels, right? This is a very cool funnel building software. And I'll build a funnel that looks something like this, okay? There's a headline, there's a video, and there's a button. That's kind of all it is. And this video, all it does is it educates my market on the thing that they want. So it's very similar to what's going on here. So this website, this authority website, is educating people that are interested in fishing about specific fishing rods. The only difference is this is not a video. This is text, okay? So they expect you to basically find this by searching something like world-class fishing rods or bass fishing rods on Google. And they're crossing their fingers that Google is going to show this to people. They click on it and then they read this article, right? Now, instead of doing that, which is extremely time consuming, what we want to do instead is we just want to create videos, all right, that will do exactly the same thing. We're entertaining, we're educating, we are teaching our market about that specific industry. This could be about fishing, by the way. This could be about weight loss. This could be about buying your perfect wedding dress for your wedding. It could be anything, right? I'm just talking about business and digital products because that's what I enjoy. That's my passion. That's my space, okay? But you could do it in any way, and you could shoot the video in any way. You could use AI, you can use animation, you can use PowerPoint style videos, you can record your whiteboard, your hand, your screen, anything. All right. And then what happens is, as people watch this and they get value, they get to know, like, and trust you. And after that, they feel comfortable enough to buy. That's where you drop your affiliate link. This is the affiliate link to this product right here. I would drop it right below my video right here. And this is automated, so this pops up after a certain amount of time, okay? Someone clicks on it and then they buy, you make a commission. You make a $400 commission, not a $1 or $3 commission. You see the difference? This is why some people stay broke in affiliate marketing and other people make millions, okay? Now, how do we get attention, okay? So in this example, the old school way, which by the way is still taught today, I think it's such a stupid way of doing affiliate marketing, is that they will try and rank their websites on Google, which is very hard because Google has so much competition. It'll take you a minimum 1 to 2 years to rank properly, if you even rank at all, right? But for me, I like to get free attention on social media. So I create videos on websites like Instagram. You can see right here, right? And what I'm doing is every single day, I upload 1 to 3 videos that are talking about my industry. So if my industry was fishing, every single video here would be about fishing. I'd be talking about fishing, I'd be talking about tackles, I'd be talking about rods, I'd be talking about the boats, I'd be talking about where to catch the best bass or the best, salmon, what are the strategies to catch more fish, stuff like that. That's what it would be about, right? But because I'm in the business space, I talk all about making money, building businesses. How do you get leads online? How do you build sales funnels? Why you should be selling digital products instead of physical products, right? And then someone will see the video. Look at this video, 81,000 views, right? So 81,000 people around the world have seen this video. They've gone through it, they've liked it, and they've commented. All right, and the people that comment, I send them an automated message that says, hey, if you're interested in this topic, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Then they go into my sales funnel, my sales process, and they get videos like this. And then once they build enough trust, this is where my affiliate link is, okay? And this is how I make $100, $300, $500, $1,000 a pop for every single lead that I generate. So instead of having to be at the mercy of someone like Google to try and rank this on Google, which is friggin' impossible, all I need to do is get really good at creating content on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, which are all free, by the way. And you get the chance to get in front of people over and over and over again. And you don't need to wait 2 years to rank on websites like Google in order to do it. All right. Now, this is how I made commissions like this. By the way, I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to make you money. So if that's what you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right. You can see right here, $455,777 selling other people's affiliate products. Here's another one, $673,359 doing affiliate marketing in the right way. All right. So if you want to start affiliate marketing this year, this is the way that I want you to do it. Don't do it the old school way. Don't do it the stupid way like 90% of people will teach, right? Sell cheap Amazon products for 1% commissions, build an authority website and try and rank on Google, which is freaking impossible. Instead, sell digital products, higher priced, higher commissions, build a simple sales funnel where you add value, and then get loads of attention on free social media posts like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. I want you to tell me what value you got in this video today just by leaving some comments in the comment section below. Some thumbs ups, I would appreciate it a lot. And if you're like, well, Aaron, this sounds awesome. How do I build out a system like yours, right? I'm glad you asked because I have a free masterclass where I literally break this all down for you step by step for free. You can access it if you want just by clicking the link in the comment section below. I hope you love this. I hope you got some value today from this video. I'll see you in the next one.